Figma just dropped a whole set of powerful updates, and they are just not only cool, they are game changing. Like, seriously, from building websites to sketching ideas and automating design works, everything new in Figma is what I'm about to show you and what each feature actually does. The first one we're going to talk about is Figma Sites, and this is a fully integrated no-code website builder right inside Figma. Now you can make beautiful websites and publish them directly from Figma without writing a single line of code. And if you're building your portfolio or events page or landing page, this is just designed to life in one click. The next one is Figma Grid. Now you can quickly snap elements into responsive grid, adjust spacing visually, and everything flows cleanly. This is perfect for rapid prototyping and fine-tune layout, no manual constraint needed. And then we have Figma Make. Figma Make is like a turbo button for creative variation. You can auto-generate multiple versions of components like buttons, different text, or even cards with different image using variables and structured content. It saves time. The next one I'm going to talk about is Figma Draw. And with Figma Draw, you can now sketch ideas directly on Figma free, and it is perfect for drawing, rough sketches, and it auto smooths your lines and convert them into clean vector shape, just like your pen tool. Then we also have the progressive blur, where you can control the intensity of blur across layers, frame, and objects, giving you a smooth, gradual transition and more realistic depth effect. Then we have Figma Buzz. So this helps you create and share on brand assets instantly. Figma Buzz makes it easy to create, manage, and distribute on brand assets, helping the team stay consistent and move faster. So from idea to live website, Figma now cover every part of the creative workflow. You can design smarter, you can collaborate better, and even ship faster, all without leaving Figma canvas. Now, Figma isn't just a design tool anymore. It is now a complete creative platform, and I'm already exploring the new Figma, and I can't wait to see the magic that is going to come out of this. And let me know what is your favorite feature in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.